Bonjour, mes amis. So, here are some more useful words and phrases for talking about the time of the day. It's divided into several periods. So, it starts with le matin, le matin, that is the morning. Okay, then we have le midi, that is midday, or you can say noon. And then l'après-midi, that is the afternoon. Okay, the day then turns to le soir, that is the evening. And then la nuit, that is the night. As we have seen, jours, that is 7 days, make une semaine, that is a week. That means 7 days make a week. Okay. Quatre semaines, that is 4 weeks, make un mois, that is a month. That means 4 weeks make a month. So there are trois mois, that is 3 months in une saison, that is a season. You can say 3 months in a season. Alright, so how would you say yesterday and tomorrow in French? So let's start. Aujourd'hui, that is today. Let's take an example. Aujourd'hui c'est mercredi. That is today is Wednesday. Hier, that is yesterday. Let's take an example. Hier c'était mardi. That is yesterday was Tuesday. Next, demain, that is tomorrow. Example, demain c'est jeudi. Tomorrow is Thursday. The next, avant-hier, that is the day before yesterday. The next, après-demain, that is the day after tomorrow. Okay. Tous les jours, that is every day. Next, don-trwar, that is in 3 days. Alright. Next, il y a quatre jours, that is 4 days ago. The next one, le lendemain, that is the next day. La veille, that is the previous day. Okay. Next, une semaine, that is a week. Next, 15 jours, that is 15 days. Okay. So now, aujourd'hui, hier, demain. These are the 3 main ones you should know. Once you can use these well, you can add avant-hier, that is the day before yesterday, and après-demain, that is the day after tomorrow. Okay, so that's all about me. So if you like my videos, please subscribe, like and share. Au revoir.